Look at this, the local food, and it's food, local food, right? Local food, not fruits. We're taking telepita. I had in my local area, I mean in my village, this is quite different. It's sweety, a little bit hard. If I look since over there, Ankur and Biplop, over there Jedalom, and finally Apple Mahmoud, and the sweetmeats over there, the sweets. What is this? It's called jilapi. Here telepita, and here the sweetmeats. If I could ask you, have you ever tasted this one? I take a little bit of sometimes, but I never had experience much more. You know, we're coming from a different place, and when I take it, it's a little bit hard. It's made from rice. It's very oily, a little bit of graziness. There's oily structures. Look at this, the oily structures. And if I could, friends, how does the taste like it? Please tell me. Hey Apple, please tell me. What's the taste like it?
Thank you, Arif. It's so yummy, and I like it so much, and I eat it after so many days, and I'm very much pleased about eating it.
Okay, thank you. And if I could ask the coming boy, the artist, coming from Jamalpur district, and we have taken a lot much food together. Oh my gosh, my camera is broken down. And if I could ask you, what does taste like? What does taste like? What does taste like? Please tell it.
It's so sweet, misty, and delicious also.
Delicious, right, huh?
Yes.
Okay. And the rest of you, my Jedalom, the American boy, and over there, very smart, look smart, the Biplop. If you could ask you, the sweetmeat, what's the difference from your local area, and this is, how does look its taste? Say it, it's a sweetie or it's a cheesy?
Yeah, the main difference between our local sweetmeats and this, it's the size. It's bigger than the sweetmeats found in my area.
Okay.
And
is it tasty?
Yeah.
Soft?
Yeah.
Soft, okay, thank you. And if you turn over this, okay, Jedalom, you are taking this sweetmeats from the beginning. I know, you are so
I'm
good.
sorry.
Okay, how does it taste?
I like all the food very much. Telepita, jilapi, and sweetmeat.
Okay.
All of the food are my favorite food, and already I take a lot of sweetmeat, jilapi, and telepita.
Okay.
I am very much glad to be here today.
Thank you. Thank you. You are absolutely good boy to food review. And now take this more telepita, sweetmeat, and jilapi. Okay, guys, let's check it out.